It's all official. Samsung has literally confirmed everything officially regarding their biggest breakthrough of the year. We are 1.5 months away from the official Unpacked event where Samsung will unveil their Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7. Spoiler alert, it's not just thin and light, it's actually gonna have Samsung's most ultra camera that they have ever made, which is even one step beyond the Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm finally back, let's get right into it. Let's start with yesterday's official Galaxy Z Fold 7 marketing material that got leaked, which shows off just how thin the Fold 7 will look in real life. The edgy corners will add even more premiumness to the feel. You can see the official name confirmation as Galaxy Z Fold 7, along with of course Galaxy AI, which is gonna go beyond what you can imagine right now. Other than this, we of course have the official teasers coming from Samsung that you may have already seen. Samsung has officially confirmed on their website that the Z Fold 7 will not only be their thinnest and lightest and the most durable fold ever thanks to the new titanium hinge, which is going to increase the longevity of a fold phone longer than ever before. It's also going to have something that we have not seen on any Samsung flagship before, which is of course their best ultra camera. Yes, Samsung has confirmed that their camera goes beyond high quality lens or advanced sensor. It's all going to be about AI, and well, it is expected that the Fold 7 will have a new Galaxy AI photo engine. As we know, hardware-wise, we're going to see the same sensor as the Galaxy S25 Ultra coming at 200 megapixels. But on the back side of the thing, Samsung is set to introduce a new Galaxy AI photo engine, which is not only going to push the image sensor to its absolute limits for improved image and video performance, but also make the camera smarter than ever. It might just be the smartest camera on any smartphone, where Samsung describes this as your smartphone camera now get what you're looking at and respond. So it's pretty much going to be like your human eyes. Obviously, they did not reveal exactly what they're talking about, but basically the phone will be more aware with the surrounding, providing you with some insane AI features and of course improving the actual image and video performance. This explains why Ice Universe tweeted this, saying Samsung is back with some crazy innovation and it's going to be a major breakthrough. Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 are expected to come with One UI 8 based on Android 16 officially. These are going to be the first devices to have this major update version. Although there's no bigger battery upgrade on these foldable devices, Samsung is still rumored to bring agentic battery AI optimization with One UI 8 that could actually improve the battery compared to the previous generation, alongside with the efficiency gains of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. Now, along with the Galaxy Z series, Samsung will finally introduce their brand new Galaxy Watch 8 lineup, and here we have the first look at the renders. You can see that Samsung is bringing their ultra-inspired squircle design now to all the models. This is their new design direction. So the lineup includes the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, Galaxy Watch 8, and of course, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. The major difference between these watches is that the Classic model has a slightly thicker bezel along with the rotating bezel. And last but certainly not the least, Samsung might finally unveil the first look at their tri-folding Galaxy smartphone. Samsung has been working on this for years and it's been heavily rumored that this is gonna be finally unveiled at the Fold 7 Unpacked event. Samsung is rumored to only produce about 200,000 units of this device, maybe even less than that, so don't expect too much of this, and it's likely going to be a very market-specific device. So there we go, Galaxy Z Fold 7 with its official teaser image that was leaked recently. It all confirms that it is actually that thin in real life. It's gonna look absolutely insane. While it's not going to be the absolute thinnest foldable phone on the market, it's still pretty close to the point where the difference is gonna be very negligible in real life, and honestly it looks pretty good. And combined with Samsung's best ultra camera for the first time now with the new Galaxy AI photo engine that can pretty much see what you see, like with all the smartness and everything, this seems really exciting. I'll keep you guys updated. Make sure to subscribe on the channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below if you're excited for the Fold 7, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.